Assalamualaikum students, I am your teacher Miss Maria.
Welcome back to your English class, and this video is for class 7th. So students, today we are going to do textbook work. So for this, what you have to do, you have to take out your textbooks and open your page number 71. Mention date on your page. Today is 1/9/2020 and day is Tuesday. Today we are going to do the read about the vocabulary or word webs. So now we are going to look at what are the word webs. Word webs may also be used to organize information. The following word web shows the characteristics of the monster in Frankenstein and sports each characteristic with evidence. What they are saying, that what is the function of the word web, that it organizes information about a character or about the event. Okay, for example, there was a character in the lesson that was the monster. So in this word web they have gathered the information about about that character, okay, or they have organized the characteristic of the monsters in the Frankenstein, and they have supported his character with evidence that how his character of the monster in Frankenstein, that he wants to love. I wanted to love, okay. This is the evidence, and this is the characteristic of the monster. Then vengeful, kills Frankenstein's little brother, wants to be accepted, went to town, approaches the blind girl and children. Innocent, everything was new. I came to life full of goodwill and friendship for every living creature. Hates Frankston, a name to curse forever. Frankston is my enemy. So these are the evidences showing about his characteristics, okay, that why ही बिकेम हेटेड, क्यों वो दूसरों से नफ़रत करने लगा, या वो कैसे नफ़रत कर पा रहा था, लोग उससे क्यों नफ़रत कर रहे थे, वो लोगों से क्यों नफ़रत कर रहा था, वो क्यों इतना ब्रूटल और क्रूल किस्म का हो गया, and how he is innocent, and if he is innocent, how he became cruel person. So then they in the lesson they have give the evidences for her characteristics. So this is the word web, okay, about the character of the monster, which with the different evidences. So these were the word webs. Now we are going to do the activity of word webs. So for this, take out your activity books. Okay, story webs, exercise 3.8, page number 45 of your activity book. Take out your activity book and open your page number 45. Mention date on your page. Exercise 3.8, vocabulary story webs. Complete the word web below with evidence to show these characteristics. The evidence may be quotes from the plays or the actions of the character. Okay, now they have given us two word webs, and skip the first one. We will do the second one. Situation in Act 3 of Frankenstein. Crisis, resolution, conflict. Setting, Frankenstein study in Geneva. Characters, Frankenstein the monster, Elizabeth Williams ghost, Clover. So these are the setting and the characters. Now we have to write about the crisis, resolution and conflict. What was the crisis? What was in this lesson? The monster is hated by everyone. This was the crisis, okay. Then what is the resolution? Frankenstein promises the monster to make a mate for him, okay. And what is the conflict? To take revenge, monster kills Frankenstein's younger brother. This was a conflict, this was a crisis, and this was the resolution for the whole situation. So this was the word web. These things are organizing information about this act number 3 of Frankston. Okay, now again come back to your textbook. Now we are going to do now we are going to learn about grammar, a use of it apostrophe s and its. Okay, it apostrophe s means it is a common contraction used in play scripts to help the dialogue sound more natural. It apostrophe s is a common contraction. What are the contractions? The short forms for the it is, okay. It is a short form for this it's, okay. So This is commonly used or mostly used in the player scripts that help the dialogue to sound more natural. It is often confused with the possessive pronoun its. This is the contraction and this is the possessive pronoun. So what they are saying, mostly people confuse these two things together and they don't know the difference between these two. It apostrophe s is the contraction it is or it has. Okay, what they are saying that this is the contraction of it is or it has. If it is about the present perfect tense, so it maybe there will be it has, or if it is about the present continuous tense, it will be it is. Okay, it's perfectly safe is equal to it is perfectly safe. It's is the possessive pronoun of the third person singular it. It shows ownership of something. For example, it's his cat, it's his watch. So it's showing the ownership of a person, that the cat is of someone, the watch is of someone. Okay, the cat licked its lip when it saw the milk. The book had been torn, its pages were all over the floor. In the sentences where you want to use the it has or it is, there you will use the it apostrophe s, and the where you want to show the ownership of a person, or you want to write a possessive pronoun or of it is a possessive pronoun of a third person singular it की थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर जो है वो ये वाला इट्स है. लेकिन अगर आपको किसी सेंटेंस में इट इज़ और इट हैज़ लिखना है तो आप इट के साथ apostrophe s यूज़ करेंगे. इफ़ यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू राइट दैट देन यू आर गोइंग टू यूज़ दिस इट्स. ठीक है, now let's do the exercise, then it will be more clear in your minds. Open your page number 46 of your activity book, exercise 3.9, grammar, its and its. Read the dialogue below and fill in the blanks with its or its. Mr. Shan, did the two of you go anywhere over the weekend? Selva, yes, we went to the zoo yesterday. It's a very exciting place. We saw the elephants and tigers in their cages. It is a very exciting place. Okay, so you are going to use this it with apostrophe s. Okay, then Mr. Shan, which animal did you like best? Selva, the monkeys. One monkey was hanging by. Now it's showing the ownership of the monkey, so we will use its simple its, okay, without apostrophe. Its tail and swinging around happily. Another monkey was a mother and was feeding its young. It's also showing the ownership of this mother monkey, so we will again use its without apostrophe. Then Rani, there was a lot of squealing when one monkey started chasing its brothers and sisters along the trees. Now it's again showing the ownership of this monkey, that these brothers and sisters are its brothers or sisters, so we are going to use its without apostrophe. I said that it was going to run over a broken branch and charge at us. Selva, she was quite right. It's been raining recently and one of the branches was broken and leaning towards us, so we will use it with apostrophe s. The monkey could have easily run along it towards us since they weren't caged. Rani, luckily a zookeeper came over and pushed the branch away. He said that it was too dangerous to go near the monkeys. Then Mr. Shen, sounds like you both had lots of fun watching the monkeys. Selva, yes, we did. It's a funny thing, it with apostrophe s, a funny thing when you see monkeys up close and you realize how similar they are to us. One adult was combing its child's hair with its fingers. these two its are showing the ownership of the monkey. ठीक है, and this is, it is a funny thing when you see monkeys up close. ठीक है, and then the last one, another one was throwing its food at its brother just like a schoolboy. It's also showing the ownership of the monkeys, so they are using this it's without apostrophes. ठीक है, I hope the use of it with apostrophe s and simple it's is clear to you now. And this is it for today's lecture. I will meet you in the next lecture. Till that, stay safe, stay at your homes. Allah Hafiz, students.